Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from DraftKings to your bank or PayPal. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser on your PC and go to DraftKings.com. Once you are on the site, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, hover over your profile icon and click on Account Information. This will take you to a new page. Next, look for the Withdrawal option. If you have any funds available for withdrawal, the amount will be displayed here. Select the amount you wish to withdraw and choose your preferred withdrawal method, either bank transfer or PayPal. If you choose PayPal, make sure your PayPal account is linked to your DraftKings account. If you opt for a bank transfer, ensure that your bank account details are correctly set up in your DraftKings profile. After selecting the amount and method, confirm your withdrawal request. The processing time may vary depending on the method chosen. PayPal typically takes 3 to 5 business days, while bank transfers may take longer. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from DraftKings to your bank or PayPal. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.